We are still on division of fraction. Today we are going to simplify 3 divided by 1 all over what? 5. First of all, when a number is standing on its own, this 3 can be written as what? 3 raised to power 1. 3 raised to power 1 is still 3. And we can also write this 3 as what? 3 divided by 1. 3 divided by 1 is equals to 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite this question as 3 all over 1 divided by what? 1 all over what? 5. So when we are dealing with division, you see this division sign, we are going to change it to what? Multiplication. Then we interchange the numerator with the what? The denominator. Then this one that you are seeing will come down and the 5 will go up. From there, we're going to say what? 3 times 5 will give us what? 15. Then 1 times 1 is 1. Then 15 divided by 1 is what? 15. So this is how to solve this type of question. So your assignment, solve this. 4 divided by 3 all over 5 and put your answer in the comment section. Bye for now.